Hey, hello guys, so welcome to the Oko tutorials. This is Dr. Tam K. All right, in this video quickly I want to show you how you can move your BNB from your Trust wallet straight down to your Binance. Okay, and please have it in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is to show you what you need to do to make life easy for you and life easy for all of us. So please, if anything goes wrong, you're not going to hold me responsible. Having know that, please, let's go straight to business. What you do is you come to your Trust wallet, click on your BNB which you want to send. You could click on what the word send, and then you must have copied your address. Quickly paste the address here and make sure the address is correct. How do you get the address? Please let me show you get the address from Binance. When I come to Binance, make sure you have your wallet here. Click on your wallet and then click on Binance BNB. All right, when you do that, click on deposit crypto, deposit crypto. All right, when you do that, you pick this one, smart chain. BNB smart chain, pick out. And then you go to copy the address. This is the address. Just copy it and then you go to Trust wallet to send your money down. Right. Alright, so having pasted it, so what we're going to do is to click on the amount you want to send. So I'm going to click on maximum because I'm sending everything, which is equivalent to $21.82. Dollars. So click on next. Alright, now having the money when sending BNB to Binance, there is no issues. All right, there's no issue at all. It is when you are sending TRX, that you're gonna have a way to gas it up, right? But for this one, there is no issue. But of course, the network fee is 0.033 BNB, all right, which is equivalent to 0.01. Of course, your maximum total is 21.83 out of 21.82. So one is gone. 21.83, 21.82. So click on confirm and then put in your password. Alright, when you put a password, you're going to see this coming up. Transaction details. It's in process, so you're going to wait for it and then later going to go straight to Binance and check if the money has dropped. Alright, so please have it in mind that whenever time you are using Trust wallet, they would ask you. It's very security conscious, so they're going to have to make sure that you put in your passcode or your password as it is before you can move on. Alright, so let's wait for it for a while. Alright, it's just landed. Trust wallet has just sent the money down. All right, so we're going to go to Binance and check if the money has arrived. All right, before we refresh, bear in mind that we have 14.30 and we are sending 21.83 thereabout. So we're going to see the difference. While we refresh this. All right, it's just dropped from Binance. Just send their own. You can see the notification here. So we're going to refresh again. All right, that's dropped. We have 36.16 USDT coming from Trust wallet. So guys, this is how you actually send money, your BNB from Trust wallet straight to your Binance account. I hope you loved what we have done here. Right, if you find value from this video, please quickly turn on the notification bell as you click on the subscription. All right, and then please also share this with others, so that others can be formed and blessed out of this. God bless you guys. I love you guys. This is Dr. Tam K. I'm going to be out for now.